Your VersaLink multifunction printer gives you the freedom to work where, when, and how you want. Let's take a minute to see how you can easily print from your mobile device with just a few simple steps. There are multiple ways to print to your VersaLink printer or multifunction printer from both iOS and Android devices. To print from your Android device, be sure it's connected to the same network as your MFP, your business's guest network, for example. You'll see a list of available printers. Choose your VersaLink device and then Print. Wi-Fi Direct offers another possibility for printing when the optional Wi-Fi kit is present. Simply connect directly to the VersaLink MFP from your Android device and follow the same steps previously mentioned. You can do this even if the VersaLink MFP is already connected via Ethernet.